Monday morning, the war zone between the snooze button and your dreams. And as you lie there, a single terrifying thought probably pops into your head. I need to be successful. What if I told you that your brain, the very organ having that thought, doesn't give a flying frisbee about your success? It never has. Your brain has one single, ancient, all-consuming job description. Keep you alive. That's it. It's not a CEO in a fancy suit. It's a paranoid caveman hiding in a control room deep inside your skull, whose sole job is to ask, will this thing eat me, or can I eat it? And this caveman is running the show for everything you do. Think about the last time you had to speak in public. Your heart starts pounding, your palms get sweaty, your mind goes blank. Why? Is your brain sabotaging your big presentation? From a success standpoint, absolutely. It's a disaster. But from a survival standpoint, your caveman brain is a hero. It's detected a threat, a pack of predators, your coworkers, staring at you. It's flooding your system with adrenaline and cortisol, pumping blood to your limbs so you can either fight the microphone or flee from the conference room. Going blank? That's because it's shunted blood away from your non-essential prefrontal cortex, the part that handles complex thought, and into your muscles. Thinking about quarterly reports is a luxury when you're, in your brain's eyes, about to be lunch. It's not trying to make you fail, it's trying to save your life from a very judgmental, spreadsheet-wielding, saber-toothed tiger. This is why procrastination feels so instinctual. You have a big project due, it's important for your career, for your success, but your brain looks at that massive, ambiguous, stressful task and goes, whoa, that looks hard, and hard things use up energy, and we might need that energy later to outrun a bear. Let's just check these cat videos instead. Cat videos are safe. No bears in cat videos. It's prioritizing short-term safety and energy conservation over your long-term goals. Your brain would rather you be safe and unsuccessful than successful and, in its twisted logic, potentially endangered. And let's talk about our obsession with the negative. You get 10 compliments on a project and one tiny piece of criticism. Which one do you obsess over for the next 3 days? The criticism, right? That's your caveman brain's negativity bias. In the wild, overlooking one compliment, hey, your fur looks nice today, has zero consequences. But overlooking one piece of criticism, psst, there's a lion behind you, means you're dead. So your brain is hardwired to Velcro itself to negative feedback. It's a glitchy, outdated alarm system that treats a critical email with the same urgency as a literal fire. So if our brain is so obsessed with just surviving, how does anyone ever become successful? The secret is you have to trick your caveman. You have to make your brain believe that the path to success is also the path to safety and reward. Because your brain does care deeply about two things related to survival: avoiding pain and seeking pleasure. Let's take a goal like, I want to start my own business. To your modern conscious mind, that's exciting, freedom, potential wealth. To your caveman brain, that's terrifying, uncertainty, potential failure, which feels like social death, financial instability, starvation. No wonder it puts the brakes on. So you have to reframe it. You break that massive, scary goal down into tiny, caveman-friendly bites. Instead of start a business, your first goal is research one competitor for 25 minutes. That's not scary. That's a specific, manageable task. When you complete it, you get a little hit of dopamine, the I found berries neurotransmitter. Your brain goes, ooh, this action led to a reward. This is safe. Let's do more of this. You use social accountability. Telling a friend you'll report back makes your brain think, okay, social bonding is happening. Being part of the tribe is safe. This is good. You focus on the learning, not the outcome. A caveman who tries a new fishing spot and fails still learned something. He didn't die, he just found a spot not to fish. Your brain starts to register that trying new hard things and occasionally failing doesn't lead to death. It leads to more information, which ultimately leads to better survival. The most successful people in the world aren't those without fear or without a paranoid caveman in their head. They're the ones who have learned to calm the caveman down. They've taught him that public speaking is just sharing ideas with the tribe, not being judged by predators. They've shown him that a failed project is just data, not a death sentence. So the next time you feel that resistance, that fear, that urge to procrastinate, don't get mad at yourself. Don't think, I'm so lazy. Just recognize it for what it is, a very old, very loyal part of you that just doesn't want you to get eaten. Give your internal caveman a pat on the head, thank him for his concern, and then gently tell him, it's okay, there are no lions here, just an opportunity, and I've got this. Now, if you'll excuse me, my brain has detected a distinct lack of snacks, and it's starting to get very, very concerned about that. Survival first, people. Always survival first.